Hello, and welcome to my channel Pipejawood Woodturning. In this woodturning project, I used plum wood and epoxy resin. But first I was able to prepare the wood for the mold, in which I will later pour the wood with epoxy resin. Here you can see how I made a cylinder, with a jig for cutting circles on a band saw. I was also able to remove the bark, because it was full of woodworm holes. In this woodturning video I used epoxy resin from the company Samson Chemnik. This epoxy resin is certified as food safe. I have not seen any other epoxy resin have this. I used white pearl and blue pearl powder color. For the products I use, there will be links in the description. First, I removed the excess epoxy resin, so that I could get to the wood. Then I finished the outer shape of the bowl. In the end, I always use a scraper to erase traces of tools. Here I made a groove for the jaws, into which I later clamped the jaws. I sanded the bowl from 80 to 1000 grit to make the bowl very smooth. Here I use denatured alcohol to clean the bowl and make the grain in the wood stand out. Then I sanded it again with 1000 grit. This way the final finish is smoother and shinier. A little sanding sealer. For the finish, in most cases I use 2 polishing pastes, which I make myself and are completely food safe. The first is rough, and the second is fine. My favorite finish is Perpalatura. This coating has a very nice sheen, and is very durable. It is also food safe and water resistant. Its basis is propolis. However, you must always polish it with polishing oil because it dries very quickly. Use is similar to shellac coating. It is manufactured by the company Samson Kamnik, which is famous for its huge range of products for the wood and other industries. In this part of the video, I started working on the inside of the bowl. Here I slowly started to finish, turning the inner part of the bowl. Here I measured the thickness of the wall, so that they are the same along the entire length. In the end, I always use a scraper to erase traces of tools. The only thing I really hate about working with epoxy is the shavings that stick to everything. A little sanding. A little denatured alcohol. A little sanding sealer. And finally, of course, my polishing paste and the Preparatura for finish coat. They are used by polishing them at plants above 1000 rpm. Here you can see what a nice shine this coating creates. And here is the final result. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, I'm always at your disposal in the comments. You can also follow me on other social networks: Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Please subscribe and comment, this way you help me so that my channel can grow and so can I. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel Pipejawood Woodturning, and watching my video. Have a nice day. See you next time.